Welcome to World Famous Foods. Jambalaya today with shrimp, chicken, and sausage. Let's cook. Okay folks, now we're gonna add some olive oil and I'm gonna start by frying our sausages. Okay, so our sausages are done. Just take them out. Now we're gonna fry our chicken. Okay, so our chicken just about the way we want it right now. And I forgot to tell you guys, but we seasoned the chicken with some all-purpose seasoning, but we're gonna take the chicken out now. Now we start to cook our veggies. Got some onions. Celery. And some bell peppers. And just saute these on down. Okay, now we're gonna add our chopped garlic. And our roasted tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to add some Serrano peppers, bay leaf, some oregano, some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, and some water. Now we're going to put a nice big scoop of better than bouillon. No chicken broth or chicken seasoning like other people do. So we're also going to add our sausage and our chicken. Bring this to a boil. Let it cook for about 10 minutes or so. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take this off. Oh yeah, moving right along. Now, add our rice. We're gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes. Remember folks, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell, get all our videos once we put them out. Okay folks, now we're going to add our shrimp. We're going to let this cook until the shrimp start turning pink. You don't want to overcook them. That's why the shrimp went in last. Alright, be back in a little bit. Okay. We all finished folks, shrimp done, everything's done, look at this. World Famous Foods Jambalaya with shrimp, chicken, and sausages. Gonna enjoy this right now.